You are watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV cooking channel on the YouTube platform. This is spicy Jamaican style beef curry lasagna. And also I have here a nice bowl of sauteed cabbage with carrots, tomatoes, and a slice of cucumber for a decorative person. And on the main dish, I have a nice, yummy, delicious, spicy beef curry lasagna. With an assorted array of delicious, tasty flavors. Bacon bits, American cheese, mozzarella cheese, scotch bonnet pepper, bell peppers, coconut milk, cream, all that fusion just blended to give this awesome, delicious taste. And there's the bad boy. It tastes awesome. It tastes spectacular. It tastes delightfully delicious. You are watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV cooking channel.